In many factories across the world today, operators are constrained by the multitude of software systems they need to do their job. They must log into separate systems to access production orders, track the performance of their machines, and ensure quality across the line. In this video, we'll show you how PTC Project Sigma for operator efficiency can extend the capabilities of your current software and tie all of these systems together in a simple and easy-to-use manner. PTC has developed the manufacturing journey to help companies chart their course to continuous operational improvement through digital manufacturing, real-time intelligence, and predictive analytics. PTC Project Sigma for operator efficiency supports journey outcomes like task-based interfaces and rapid change implementation. Using our manufacturing assembly line demo, let's play the role of an operator on the line. We've just been assigned a new production order for 1,000 units that needs to be shipped by the end of the day. The order was delivered to us via PTC Project Sigma for operator efficiency, which provides us with a single unified portal from which we can see and execute all our work. With this solution, we now have access to business systems data from ERP and CRM, as well as operational data such as KPIs from the assembly line. IT and OT information are delivered to the operator through a single pane of glass. The KPI and other data delivered by PTC Project Sigma for operator efficiency can be easily configured for your specific line and/or factory. This real-time visibility can also be delivered through a variety of channels, including augmented reality, via wearable device or tablet, or through the PTC Project Sigma dashboard interface. So, let's see how our line is currently performing. As many of you will know, OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, is the standard for measuring performance, availability, and quality of a manufacturing operation. At present, it's running at 60%. But let's see what happens if we speed up the line to fit in this expedited order. To do that, we're going to increase the line speed from level 1 to level 2. Thanks to connectivity of our PLCs via Thingworx, we can control the speed of our line directly from our tablet. Notice that the line speed is increased, and the assemblies are still passing the quality check. Good news! Both performance and overall OEE have increased. But let's see if we can further increase the speed. We notice that at the highest speeds, the assemblies start failing the quality check. Closer examination of the line points to the pneumatic gate not rising quickly enough to let the upper desk pass this higher conveyor speed. We can also see in my application that the quality KPI and the overall OEE are decreasing. As we've seen, by unifying information from various sources and delivering context-specific intelligence, PTC Project Sigma for operator efficiency brings higher levels of productivity to manufacturing operators. In the next video, you'll see how Project Sigma and Thingworx can unlock additional value on the shop floor with the PTC Project Sigma for Asset Performance solution.